Your vehicle has been designed to require minimum service while offering maximum driving pleasure. However, some scheduled and routine maintenance activities are necessary to keep all systems in peak functioning condition. You and your Nissan service department will be a winning team to keep things running smoothly. When you bring your new vehicle back to the dealership for its first scheduled service, it will be thoroughly checked by Nissan technicians. They are well-trained specialists in every aspect of vehicle operation. They're also great problem solvers should you need something corrected. They'll assure that your new vehicle keeps running reliably and economically. Remember, your best resource is a visit to the service department of your Nissan dealership. There, you'll find a world of information and maintenance tips to keep your vehicle running as it did the first day you drove it home.